Hello, today we will guide you through how to find Cloudflare Account ID. If you need your Cloudflare Account ID for setup, integrations, or support, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll open the Cloudflare dashboard, select a domain, and then locate the account ID in the left side navigation. Begin by going to your Cloudflare account home in the Cloudflare dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Cloudflare account or work with multiple websites. Starting from the account home helps ensure you're looking in the right place from the beginning. Once you're on the account homepage, look for the list of domains connected to that account. From there, click on the sample domain shown in your dashboard. Selecting the domain opens that site's management area, where Cloudflare displays settings and account-related details associated with that zone. After the domain page opens, take a moment to orient yourself. You'll typically see a navigation menu along the left side of the screen, along with the main content area in the center. To find the account ID, scroll down and focus on the left navigation panel. Keep looking through that sidebar area until you see the account ID listed. The account ID is usually displayed as a long string of letters and numbers. Because it can look similar to other identifiers in Cloudflare, it's a good idea to read carefully and make sure you're copying the correct value. If you need to use it elsewhere, copy it exactly as shown without adding spaces or extra characters. One helpful tip is to avoid confusing the account ID with a zone ID. Both may appear in similar areas of the dashboard, and both are often used in technical setups, but they serve different purposes. If the instructions you're following specifically ask for the account ID, be sure you're selecting that exact label in the left navigation. And that's it. To recap, go to your Cloudflare account home, click on the sample domain, then scroll down and check the left navigation to find the account ID. Once you know where it appears, it becomes very easy to locate again in the future. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you quickly find your Cloudflare account ID.